For only the third time in 155 years, a terrifying market anomaly just flashed red. Wall Street is in absolute panic as charts expose a pattern identical to the worst crashes in history. Look at these charts. A few massive giants now control a dangerous share of the entire market. Analysts sound the alarm. If these top stocks fall, they drag the whole economy down with them. Look at these dates, 1929 and 2000, the Great Depression and the dot-com crash. History shows us these were the only other times this exact signal flashed. Both times, total economic collapse followed. Look at these charts. Today's market is skyrocketing, mirroring the exact peaks of past devastating bubbles. The data doesn't lie, we've reached an unsustainable peak. Are we blind to history repeating itself? While everyday investors keep buying the dip, the big players are quietly slipping out the back door. Look at the charts. Institutional volume is cratering. The smart money is preparing for a massive crash. Script ready? Text. Retail keeps buying, blind to the trap. But history warns us. When the market crashes, everyday investors are the ones left holding the empty bag. Will they learn before it's too late? Look at this chart. Valuations are climbing to extreme heights, completely off the scale. History warns us, when numbers stretch this far, the drop is brutal. The expert warns a crash is imminent. Watch out. Look closely at the timeline. Right there, the warning light flashes. Investors ignored it, thinking the boom would last forever. But seconds later, the market collapsed, wiping out billions in a single blink. See this flat line? Markets look calm. Investors breathe easy, thinking the danger passed. But analysts see a trap. This quiet phase is the final illusion before the floor drops. Get ready. Then the first cracks appeared. Giant tech stocks began to wobble. Suddenly, automated algorithms triggered, dumping millions of shares in milliseconds. The cascade had begun, and there was no stopping it. Screens locked up. Millions watched their portfolios vanish in seconds as the apps froze. On the news, anchors gasped, reading out losses we've never seen before. Total chaos. Nobody could sell. Panic spills from the trading floors straight to your local bank. Look at these lines. People are desperate, scrambling to empty ATMs before the screens go dark and the entire financial system freezes solid. Behind closed doors, politicians scrambled, but their promises couldn't stop the bleeding. Wall Street fell first, triggering a global domino effect that shattered economies and left the world's financial systems in absolute ruins. Look around. The bustling streets are now silent, shops boarded up. Behind closed doors, families stare at empty bank accounts, realizing their life savings are gone. The safety net didn't just rip, it vanished. Look at this. The signs are clear. A massive crash is coming. Will you take action right now to protect your hard-earned money, or will you watch everything vanish when the bubble finally pops?